Hello and welcome to 840 South 11th Street in the charming little coastal town of Coos Bay, Oregon. This adorable home sits in the heart of the historical home district and has been a part of Coos Bay's rich history since 1915. Completely renovated from top to bottom, this home is unique in its layout. On the main level, you'll find this large living room with natural gas fireplace. The kitchen features quartz countertops, glass tile backsplash, as well as a large dining space open to kitchen and living room. There are 2 bedrooms on this main floor. Front bedroom faces the front yard, and the back bedroom has bay views as well as views of downtown Coos Bay. A full bath with tub shower combo sits between both rooms. Outside the bath and down the hallway, take the stairs up to the finished attic, where you could create that perfect hobby room or make it a teenager hangout. Through the pantry and laundry area at the back of the kitchen, step outside to the covered patio for year-round use. Blankets and a fire pit make this perfect space to be outdoors and yet be cozy no matter what the weather. Take a walk with me downstairs, where you'll find a door to separate upstairs and downstairs if you'd like. This space has a daylight apartment feel, is heated by a natural gas fireplace, has plenty of room for living and dining seating, features this large additional room with closet and added storage space, and has a daylight bedroom with lots of light. Just past the kitchenette, you'll find a large laundry room, which also serves as the private entrance for the downstairs space. However, the upstairs also has laundry hookups. Once inside the downstairs bathroom, notice the details from the live edge concrete countertop to the tiled cubby shower with waterfall showerhead. Outside the bathroom, you'll find a closet for additional storage space. Once outside the back door, there's a private patio for the downstairs unit as well as a hot tub. Enjoy gardening? There's a small greenhouse for you as well. This home has so many possibilities. Use it as a single-family residence, rent the upstairs and keep the basement unit for visits, multi-generational living or in-law space, place to put your guests. The possibilities are endless. Buyer to do all due diligence. For more information, make an appointment to see this home today.